Hi! In front of me is the LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on On-Screen Keyboard, Gboard, and then Text Correction. Lastly, scroll down just a bit and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way you can turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!